Hello guys, Alvaro here, the creator of fullPage. I want to show you in this video how you can use fullPage plugin for Gutenberg. So basically, once you purchase it through one of these links, you're going to get a file, a zip file. So if we go to our WordPress administration panel and we go to the plugins, we are going to add here on Add New in order to install it. We're going to then click on Upload Plugin, and here in Choose File, we're going to choose the file that we downloaded when we purchase it. We select it, we click on install, and once it's installed, we are going to need to activate it. To do so, we click here on the activate plugin button, and then we are going to see a confirmation here on the top saying that the plugin has been activated, and we can also see it here. In order to create our first fullPage page, we're going to click on Pages, Add New, and here on the top, we're going to be able to see an icon. Add fullPage for Gutenberg. You can also find it if you just start typing after using the slash. You can see it here. So well, let's just click here, which is easier. And here we start with two different sections. We can remove one if we prefer, and start working with the first one. So let's make the first section saying, let's put a text that says hello world. We're gonna center it. We're gonna change the background color of the section by clicking on the section. Here on the right, we select the color, and then we select the text, color settings, white, font size, huge. All right, we are gonna add another section with two slides, two horizontal slides. You can add the normal section without any slide, or a section with multiple horizontal slides. For this section, it's going to be section number 2. So let's call it slides 2.1 and slide 2.2. For the first slide, we're going to add the background image this time. We're going to see our media files, and we're going to select this one, for example. And for the second one, we're going to do the same. We're going to click on the slide itself and then on this icon, and we're going to select any other image, such as this. Now we're going to center the text, and we are going to click on color settings and huge. If you don't want to repeat all these steps all the time, we can just select the text, apply some style. For example, let's say that we want to make it a header and that we want it to be H1. So now we want all headers, H1, to be white. How are we going to be doing so? Well, we're going to click then on here on the top, and then we're going to add on custom CSS. So here we can add custom CSS for all the styles in our page, and I'm going to just say that I want all headers to be white. Doing so, this header is going to become white, same as we change this one. We can change it for a header, and it's going to become white as well. What else? Let's add another section. Well, let's see how it looks so far. If we click here on preview, we're gonna see it looks very weird. Something weird happened. So what's going on here? We have to click here on fullPage for Gutenberg, and then we have to enable fullPage. Then when we click on the preview button, we are gonna see that now our plugin is working as expected. We have two sections, and the second one with two slides. What if we want to add a navigation here on the right, or even some arrows to scroll right or left? Well, we would click on here on the top, and here we're going to find all fullPage options on the right. Navigation, scrolling, design. In this case, we want to add a right navigation, and we want to also we're going to be adding some control arrows so we can slide right or left in the second section. We also can change the speed. For example, let's add it, let's make it slower, 2000 milliseconds. Let's see how it looks like. It's looking better. Now we have the control arrows, and we have the navigation here on the right. We can even add another section that for our footer, so we can make it so it won't be full height by selecting here auto height. So if we add a footer here with some text, well, we are gonna, let's put a yellow background, and let's see how the section is not gonna be full height now. Here's our footer. I think these are the very basics of the plugin. Of course, well, you just have to get used to use Gutenberg if you are not used to. And well, you can also make the sections full. Well, you can make them bigger if you want to visualize them a bit more like they're gonna be looking at the end. And that's all for today.